One-to-one functions. A function is one-to-one if any two different inputs in the domain correspond to two different outputs in the range. In other words, if x sub 1 and x sub 2 are two different inputs of function f, then f is one-to-one if f of x1 does not equal f of x2. Here's a function diagram. So we can see that every input or every value in the domain goes to exactly one output, but here 10, which is in the range, has two arrows leading into it, as well as 11 and 12. So this represents a function, but not a one-to-one function. Here's another diagram where again we can see that every input or every element of the domain has exactly one arrow coming from it. But here also every element of the range has exactly one arrow leading into it. So this represents a function that is one-to-one. We could also use the horizontal line test. If every horizontal line intersects the graph of a function in at most one point, then f is one-to-one. So let's look at this graph for example. If I draw a horizontal line here, we only hit one point. Anywhere I draw a horizontal line, I'm never going to go through more than one point. So this is a one-to-one function. Let's look at the second graph. Okay, I can draw a horizontal line here, and it only hits one point. But here, it hits 1, 2, 3 points. So this is not a one-to-one function. If a function is one-to-one, its inverse is a function.